Tired of seeing the dreaded Cmake is not installed on your system error stopping you from building your dream software? Let's tackle this hidden. First, verify Cmake isn't lurking somewhere unexpected. Open your command prompt or terminal, type Cmake version and press enter. If you see Cmake is not recognized or a similar error, it's definitely not accessible. Next, we'll download the correct version of Cmake. Head over to cmake.org in your web browser. Choose the installer appropriate for your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. For Windows users, I strongly suggest downloading the executable installer. Run the installer you downloaded, read through the license agreement and accept it to proceed. On Windows, be absolutely sure to select the option to add Cmake to the system path for all users during the installation. This is crucial. For macOS, you can drag the Cmake application to your applications folder. On Linux, use your distribution's package manager, like apt or yum, to install Cmake. After installation, close and reopen your command prompt or terminal. Now, rerun Cmake version. You should now see the Cmake version number displayed. If you do, congratulations! You've successfully installed Cmake and it's properly configured on your system, allowing you to build your projects with ease. Happy coding!